Hi, there has always been a lot of confusions that which country is better to get a hair transplant done. Is it Turkey or is it in India? So many of our patients, they also plan to go out to Turkey and get some hair restoration or hair transplant surgery done. And many people from Europe, they travel back. Many people from the Gulf, they travel back to India to get a hair transplant done. Now, how does it work, and which country is better in terms of hair transplant surgery? Okay, now let's talk about Turkey. So Turkey is a country which is very close to Europe, and they have excellent surgeons and very high class clinics which offer hair transplant surgery. So many Europeans, they go to Turkey to get the surgery done and have a vacation and then go back because it falls very close to their place. Approximate cost for hair transplant surgery in Turkey in terms of Indian rupees costs anything between 3 to 5 to 6 lakhs. All right. The doctors are good, they have good high profile clinics, and they are very good at hospitality. Yes, Turkey is definitely considered one of the best destinations to get a hair transplant done. Now, let's compare that to India. India has always been known as a forefront of healthcare in the healthcare sector. We have produced the best of the surgeons and the physicians who have gone worldwide, and they have shown that the Indian surgeons are one of the best. In no ways our hair transplant surgeries are less than any other which is being done in any other part of the world. So in India, there are three specialities who has been kind of permitted legally to get to perform a hair transplant surgery. One of them is a plastic surgeon, a dermatologist, and a maxillofacial surgeon. So once one of these three specialities, the surgeon does perform your surgery, it goes in to have beautiful outcome and beautiful results. Now, in terms, when we talk about the cost in India costs, the hair transplant surgery costs anything between 1 to 3 lakhs depending upon the grade of baldness and how much of a work we are doing and how much of a graft we are transferring. Now, in India as well, we have fantastic clinics which can, with fantastic doctors and surgeons who give excellent results. So, in no ways we can consider India in terms of results. And as I said, since the cost is cheaper than any other part of the world, so a lot of patients travel down from Gulf and from Europe as well to get the hair transplant surgery done. Okay, now, so I would finally say that there is actually no comparison in terms of, kind of results. I mean, both the countries, the surgeon, if chosen right, can give excellent results. Definitely cost wise, India is much cheaper and more affordable than in Turkey. Hospitality wise, India, we are one of the best in terms of hospitality. We always welcome our guests. And so, if anybody is planning to travel from outside to visit India to get any hair transplant surgery done, or in fact, as a matter of fact, any other cosmetic surgery done, so you are most welcome, and we will be more than happy to entertain you. We'll be more than happy to help you with any of the cosmetic surgical procedures. So you have our numbers, you have our emails. Please do get in touch with us, and I can assure you that we give the best of the results in terms when we're talking about a hair transplant surgery.